Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. Today it's a Monday morning. I'm checking my emails and I walk the dogs and I have time right now, so I just took out Kona because it's gonna be a long day today. And yeah, I think it's just gonna be like my Monday morning routine. How I forgot to take a video of me getting up and feeding them, but they already had breakfast and it's around like 10:40. So checking my emails right now, and then I'm gonna work out and then I'm gonna actually work, right? So this is like a daily Monday morning routine of what I do with my birds. So basically, it's hard owning birds on a weekday, right? Because everybody works, but they can't be in a cage forever. So I always try to find like the slimmest times that I can take them out. Because like I don't want them to be inside the cage all the time. And I actually made my work schedule so I can come back so they can like sleep and stuff. The puppies are playing right now. If you can hear them. But yeah, I always try to keep my schedule like not so strict because they can't be in a cage. I have to feed them, they have to go to sleep, so I never come back late. Okay, it's being hormonal. They're not supposed to be on your shoulder really. But yeah, we'll just see how my day goes. Nothing so exciting is happening today. I think we're gonna go fly the birds tomorrow. So yeah. Ikona. I still have like crumbs on me. But I'm not sure what kind of videos you guys like. You guys can like comment down below what kind of videos, because I just been posting vlogs lately. Later on, I'm gonna post how my 2023 went, because now I am posting stuff. But 2023 was the roughest year of my life, and I had a break on my YouTube. I didn't really post that much stuff on 2023 because I just needed a break. A lot of things were going downhill and I didn't feel like posting. But now trying to get back to the routine, and it's been really nice outside too. So yeah. But I don't really have that much to talk about, but there was a period where I didn't post that much stuff and it was just not going as planned. Honestly, everything was going downhill. So now I am posting. So take you guys on my day today. Time to go in the aviary. It's the aviary. Get sun, and I am going to. I'm gonna put this down. Oh, there. There's. It. It's important to shower your bird almost every day. So what I am doing here, I am making Kona's bath. This is actually a falconry bath. Falcons bathe in this, and Kona loves to do this. I have to clean the crumbs now because the dogs are gonna eat it. Now it's time to clean. Now this is me in the car. I just went to the gym. I just worked out and I'm going back home. So I just finished work right now and I am going back to put the birds inside home. They were in the aviary and it's almost dinner time now, so now I'm trying to hurry back and gonna make them dinner. Sorry if I look crazy. I did like my whole hair and then my ponytail was like too tight, so I had to loosen it. Now that work is over and it's like 5 right now, 5 p.m. So I am rushing to get back home. Gotta make food. Gotta put them back in the aviary. I mean, from the aviary back in the house. So yeah, now it's 5 p.m. This is where, you know, I need to rush to get home to get ready for the birds. And, you know, usually it was winter. You know how like when winter it gets dark so soon? So now in California, it's like 80 degrees today, so the sun is still kind of out at 5 p.m. So luckily, the birds were able to stay outside a little bit longer, but I'm like rushing to get back because I feel bad if they're outside in the dark, but it's not that dark yet. So I will see you guys when I'm making dinner for them.
Hello, are you eating now? Are you eating? Let's see if you're eating. Nope. Hello. Oh, hi, Noah. No. Hi, Noah. No.
So 6:30 to 7:30 for a good hour, I exercise my birds, I train them, I recall train them, I play with them so they can have a good night's sleep. And it's always good to train your birds before you sleep, I feel like. Thank you guys so much for watching my Monday routine, and the puppies are also falling asleep too. It's like 9 p.m. Now the birds are finally sleeping. I can relax with my dogs. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.